What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching. So if you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been an entrepreneur my whole life, and I have a few businesses that I run, and basically I do a vlog series till I hit $30,000 a month of my ups and downs of business, and at the very end of the video, I go over my revenue of the day prior. So today we're gonna be doing customer orders, and I will try to get an FBA shipment out, but seriously, no promises on that because it's already 2 o'clock. I went to the coffee shop to get a lot of design work done for my business. I know a lot of you guys want a video of me showing you how I make my designs, so I will be making a video. I don't have a time limit on it because I do these videos every single day. Maybe I'll skip a day to make a video like that, so let me know in the comments below if you want to just have a video of me doing a tutorial instead of a day in the life on one of these days. But then I'll go over the revenue at the end of the day maybe for it, or I'll just put it into the next video. Yeah, so I had to get my board repaired. I got a brand new board, or like brand new to me, but it's got a fin box repair I needed to get done, so I needed to drop that off, and I'm still gonna go surf. I haven't really had a day to relax yet, so I'm gonna go do that. Sorry, it's hot out. I'm like dying. I'm wearing this like super heavy shirt right now, but we're gonna get at least the customer orders out. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so we just got back from surfing, and now we have a couple of big sticker orders I have to get out, and then I have to do the FBA shipment. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna send it in. So I'm gonna get those two done, and then we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue. All right, guys, orders are done. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue and show you how much money that we made. All right, guys, so we made $15.89 yesterday on eBay. We made $74.48 yesterday on Shopify. And we made $292.40 on Amazon. So a total of $383, which is mid, it's not great, it's not bad. So we are at $3,447. So if you guys enjoyed these videos, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so more people can find my videos just like you did. And also, if you enjoyed these videos, I make a video every single day until we hit $30,000 a month. So please subscribe down below if you enjoyed these videos. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Peace out.